Vigorun Tech, one of the best professional remote control lawn mower manufacturer in China. All of our machines are remote controlled with an effective distance of 200 meters. You can buy directly from us with a best factory price. This hot sale VTLM800-160 slope mower is crawler type with super high added value and cost performance. This machine is specially designed for steep slopes and other difficult terrains. It uses a 16 HP strong power gasoline engine which is fit to Euro 5 or EPA emission standards. With a powerful horsepower, it can adapt to mowing operations on a variety of different complex terrains. We use 15 centimeters wide rubber track. Its main feature is its strong gripping ability, which is suitable for mowing grass in various mountains, swamps, slopes, sandy lines and steep slopes. It can work well on slopes up to 60 degrees. At the same time, it can easily mow tall grass or bushes, dry or fresh both okay, up to 1.7 meters or even higher. The 800mm cutting width can greatly shorten the mowing time. And the mowing height can be adjusted by remote control. It mows the grass very smoothly and the mowing efficiency is 0.45 acre per hour, about 1821 h. We chose a 48-volt super durable travel motor with reducer for this model. They are brushless electric traction motors which ensuring strong power output with minimal heat generation. It is designed to support long hours of continuous operation. Equipped with a large RV063 gearbox with a high reduction ratio of 140, our slope mower guarantees strong torque at low speeds and exceptional climbing ability. The gasoline engine equipped with an oil pump is capable of forced lubrication, which is essential for reliable operation and preventing premature wear. This system ensures that the engine receives a constant supply of pressurized oil for effective lubrication, particularly during the demanding conditions of driving on a slope. We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world. If you're interested, welcome to contact us.